Lauren Schroeder, CFA, works for ADG managers and knows that Charles Martins is engaged in unethical activity. Okay, there are two persons. Lauren approaches legal counsel of firm who advises that since Lauren is not engaged in such conduct, she should not report any violation to regulatory authority. Okay. So if you firstly and most important, are you able to, or are you able to figure out which part of the standard is it from? You should have, if you have read the content video thoroughly, you should be able to recall it is from recommendation. This is not topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. No, this is recommendation, second part, which is legal counsel. If you recall, there was a concept of legal counsel, consulting legal counsel. The concept was that if you consult with legal counsel, that's fine, but it does not absolve you from the whole stuff. So ultimate responsibility lies on you only. Okay. Still, I would suggest you just, if stop the video, have a guess, and then restart the video so that you have a guess ready and you are able to check whether your concepts are clear or not. Okay, I am moving ahead towards options. Not so what the legal counsel has said, Lauren approaches legal counsel of firm who advises that since Lauren is not engaged in such activity, so advice is she should not report anything, she should not report any violation to regulatory authority because she has she's not engaged in the conduct. Okay, Lauren should A, not report the violation to regulators because she should act as per advice of firm's legal counsel. B, she should report the activity to supervisor, take independent legal advice of whether to report it to regulators. Okay, number A, not report the violation to regulators. That's correct. It is not compulsory to report it to regulators because she should act as per the advice of firm's legal counsel. This is incorrect. She can take advice, but the ultimate decision lies on member themselves. So taking taking hide or making it a shield that you have taken advice from legal counsel and followed whatever that person has said is not going to work. It's not acting as a shield. It's only you as a responsible member is responsible for any decision regarding that. So no, this is incorrect, that it is compulsory. It is not compulsory to follow legal advice. It is optional to take the advice, but following or not depends on member. Also, it does not absolve them from any liability of violation. B, so A is incorrect. B, she should report the activity to supervisor. Correct. Dissociation also said that. Take independent legal advice of whether to report it to regulators. She is not confident, so she may take a independent legal advice. That's fine. Let's have a look at C. She should report the violation to regulators as it is. C is incorrect. So the best answer that is possible over here is B, sorry, and B is the answer. Okay, you can have a look at the rationale. See, it's written 1A, firm's legal counsel advice does not absolve MNC of their responsibility. If in doubt, MNC consider taking independent legal advice. Reporting to regulator, however, is not a compulsion of the standard.